In figure below, line K is perpendicular to line V and line L is perpendicular to line V. What can you conclude about lines K and L and why? So we are given that, or since line K is perpendicular to V, line K perpendicular to V, and line L is perpendicular to V. L is perpendicular to V. So here's the sign of a perpendicularity. So we conclude that line K is perpendicular to L. So this is the conclusion because from theorem of two lines perpendicular to the same lines in a plane are parallel. So line K is perpendicular to line V because of the theorem of two lines perpendicular to the same lines in a plane are parallel. So they must be perpendicular. Thank you.